This is happening. I can't even see what's going on. It's too dark.
Oh, there's no light in here, damn it.
Burn them up. Fire them up.
Are you tired, Mikey?
Fuck yeah.
Did you have a good day?
Woo!
We had a great day! Woo!
Let's burn some wood.
He's got Down syndrome right
Woo! Ow!
Does that hurt?
Cut too soon.
What's over there?
now. This is like moving furniture.
Alright.
It's moving like a big
Grab
loaf of
his middle,
furniture.
I got his legs.
Ow.
Good luck.
No.
Don't, not the jersey, not the jersey. That's
Oh,
That's
not the
blasphemy.
fan, not the light, not the bed. You got some butt crack
I
in
do.
there.
I
I got him by the gills.
do. Get him by the arms.
I got him by the gills.
Get him by the arms.
You need some glow sticks for this.
Trace, let's go.
Can you get a picture of this?
I do. I'm recording.
We gotta get him.
Did you just wipe it on her?
Alright, we got him.
That's what she
We
said.
got him.
Not the jersey. Not the jersey.
Oh my god, don't
Just
do that.
by the arms. Don't deface the jersey.
He's happy.
He's solid.
Pick up his shoulder.
I think he's rabid.
Dave, are you serious?
That is just too much crack.
He's growling at you.
Oh, there's some crack. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, God.
Way too much crack.
Oh my god.
Dave, pull him that way.
Mikey,
I'm done.
good night, Mikey. Good night.
Oh my god.
Good night, Mikey.
Let's saw some crack.
Good night. See you in the morning. Good night.
I want to show us some crack.
Good night. What are you doing?